going on, guys? Today's just going to be a quick update video on the car. I'm going to get a couple of things fixed. I'm going to mount the boost controller for good this time. I'm going to hopefully get the map signal fixed, put the dash back together, and then if we get all that done, maybe we can play with a little bit of launch control. So after I filmed the previous video, I got a little lazy and just kind of left everything where it was. I made a little bracket for the boost controller there. Just made it out of a piece of aluminum, bent it up and stuck it in the vent. But that's about as far as I got with it. So I'm gonna put the glove box back in and then maybe work on that bracket a little more. Alright, that's done. Now I'm gonna sort this out.
Take what you want from me. I'll give you everything. All that and more you'll see. Just stay right here with me. Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be with paper crowns.
Alright, cool. That's another thing off my list. Now the next thing that I have to do, I went out yesterday and got a map pigtail from a GTI. It's got the connector and everything on it. They use the same map, so I'm hoping it's going to work. But I think part of my issue, well, obviously part of my issue is the broken connector here. But I'm thinking maybe this pigtail here has some cracked wires in it, so I'm going to chase that back and see if I can find anything wrong in there, and then I'll replace it with the one that I got out of the GTI, which is over here. Where did I put it? I lost my parts! Focus, you fuck. This thing here. So I got a new connector and a little bit of wire. It looks like it's got the same color wires in there. There's 4 of them. There's 4 in there, so maybe it'll work. So I just cut the wires on this thing where it looked like they were getting kind of good again. I got a piece of flattened out copper wire in this plug here. I'm just going to test each wire for continuity and resistance. Well, as you can see, that didn't work, so I don't know what to do now. I'm probably going to check the coolant temp sensor, maybe with the VAGCOM, see what that's saying. Other than that, I don't know. I still don't know what's going on with this thing. Sorry, no launch control today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Instagram, subscribe. New video somewhere, old video. I don't know.